Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So in this chapter I am telling you the story that how stories came into the world. Should take a short look that before the two videos that creator like a god, and he called all the creature like people and animal, and he said that I am giving you one test, so you have to pass out that test, that I will give you a grain of rice. So that of grain of rice you can change that grain of rice, exchange of grain of rice into a camel. Then all the people and animals created, they are looking onto the other face, and they are saying that no, it's not possible. How it's possible that a grain can exchange into a camel? Then after, one girl, she is sitting behind that creatures, and he said that I would like to try this taste, so can you give me? Then the god said, who's that? Then the girl said that I am called the Lodi. Then the god said, okay, you just take this grain of rice. Then after, she just went to a small village, and then after she put that grains onto the ground. Then after, the hen came, and then hen just ate that grains quickly. Then after, the girl, she just grabbed that hen, and she just took that hen into the farmer, and in front of the farmer she said that your hen has eaten me, and she started crying, and she said that your hen has eaten my all grains. Then the farmer said that okay, don't worry, I will handle you a grain of rice in return. Then she said that no, I don't want a grain of grain of rice, because that rice has given me a god. So you just instead of that, you just give me a hen. Then after, she become the owner of that hen. Then after, she went from there, and then after the dark night came, then she just want to stay in one place. Then she saw that innkeeper was there, and then she just go there, and then she said that please don't put my hen with your hens, otherwise, because it's too big, my hen is too big, and it will harm your hen also, so that you can put my hen with your goats. Then the inner keeper said that okay, I will put your hens into with my goats. Then in the next morning, she sure enough that then after, when Lodi went to the hen, she saw what, that a goat, he's just crashed, he dead her hen. Then she started crying, and then the innkeeper said that please stop crying, instead of hen I will give you a hen. Then she said that no, I don't need a hen, I don't need a hen, because I have a hen, because this hen has given me a god, so instead of hen you can give me your goat. Then the inner keep said that okay, I will give you the goat. Then after, she just become the owner of the goat. Then after, she find that she arrived at the last village, which one is the edge of the desert. Then after, she find one bed for the night also, and then she said the owner that please don't put my goat with your goats, because my goat is very fierce, and she will fight with your goats, so it's better that you can put my goats with your camels. Then the owner said that okay, I will put your goats in with my camels. Then in the next morning, she sure enough that then she saw what, that her goat has death by the camels. Then again she started crying. Then the owner said that, the man said that please don't worry, I will give you the another goat. Then the girl said that but the goat was given me by the god, so I don't need a goat. Instead of goat, you can give me the camel. Then after, the Lodi become the owner of a camel. Then after, how clever you are, Lodi, said the creature. When Lodi had returned with the camel, what can I give you? Here is a god of jewels. Here is one of gold, and here is one of pearls. Then after that, he just took that camel, and he went to the god, and he said, and the god said that how clever you are, how you have exchanged this grain of rice into a camel. So instead of that, what can I give you? here is two options are there. Here is one gold and the another one is pearl. But Lori did not want jewels or gold or pearls. She had noticed an old card lying at the creator feet. It was full of all the stories in the world. Then she what noticed that a old card he is lying onto the god feet, and it was the full of stories of in the world, that whenever the creator wanted to tell a story, he would put in his hand and pull one out. What I would like most of all, said Lori, is the card of stories, and you shall have it, said the creature with a smile and handed it to her. But as she was returning home, poor Lori tripped over a stone and dropped the ground on the ground. With a great rush of wind, all the stories poured out of the card and scattered everywhere. Then after, with a great smile, the creature has handed over stories of God stories, and then after she returned to the home, then Lori tripped over a stone and he just tripped on the ground, and she just rushed in the of the wind, and then all the stories there of the God just fell down everywhere. Then and ever since then there have been stories in the world. So like that, it should be came stories in the world. So only that much videos are on that much stories, and I hope you guys understood the stories. And I will give you word meaning related from this chapter, so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary. And if you not understood the chapter, please you just watch these videos 2 times 3 times, so at least after 2 times you can understand the chapter, because it is very interesting stories, that how the girl change a grain of rice changes into a camel. It is her cleverness that she has done like that. So it depends to you that how you can change your life, how you can change your future. It depends up to you. If you will think, if you will just you have any dreams in your eyes, so if you want to success anyhow, then you can do anyhow. So like that also you have to be very clever in every time. So just show your cleverness every time. I hope you guys understood the chapter. For the homework, you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day. For the homework, you just watch the next videos.